it's 1900.
I don't even try to do it when I do it. It's tomorrow.
Violent.
I heard that Michael Jackson appearance was off the chain.
Really?
That's definitely a workout.
Yeah, I believe it.
I haven't tried it. Everybody that has it says it's really good.
Oh, it is a good workout.
Oh, You've done the Michael Jackson one?
Oh, not Michael Jackson one. Oh, that was too hard, right? There's a moonwalk and everything.
No.
Oh my god, this is awesome.
I got the first one. Let's dance.
Yeah.
My favorite was, you can read my That's my favorite one.
Oh! I want you to take it to her next time. Oh!